That's some detail. You too, BigH Trucking. Coming to you from the Peterbilt, the Black Mamba. Doing a little house cleaning. First deep cleaning I've done in months. The interior is looking for my kicks. Sharp. Heavy detail cleaning. Engine needs and vacuum. So I'm actually making room. This is my vacuum, which ain't getting off the truck. It's my mess. As you can see, I'm getting ready to go home. So there's my blower. That bin's coming home with me. That big blanket's coming home. Got about 13 hats, that's coming home. That's my toaster oven. I don't believe in microwaves. Anyway, if I get to nod the train, we have a clean truck. Anyway, so I'm spending a few hours here because the traffic going to New York is going to be absolutely ridiculous right now. So I figured I'd knock this out. I'm liking the way it looks. So I put a carpet down, which I threw out. My mats, my Peterbilt mats are drying. I washed them, scrubbed them. I put a carpet between the two seats here. This box is crooked. And yeah, look at that shine. Look at that steering wheel. That's just dope fine. Look, I'm at the Prime Terminal in Pittston. Yeah, BigH Trucking. A clean truck is a happy truck. Overhead bins. My Peterbilt 579 Ultra Loft. My lights. My receipts from all the PMs. You guys got a Peterbilt. This is the headlight you need. Exact fit. It's an H11. Easy to fix. Don't bring it to the shop. It's an easy fix. 2 minutes. And then anyway, that's it. Here's my tool bag, which is staying. So this whole shelf up here is going to get emptied. All going to be emptied. Then that bed, that mattress flips down. There's still plastic on the mattress. And that's the cargo net to be safe, but ain't nobody riding up there anyway, so there's no point of having that net. And yeah, we're getting ready to my laundry bag that's coming with me. Sweatshirts, by the way. I know I don't own one, but a man can dream. A man can dream. It was on sale yesterday. It was at White's Travel Stop. And C15, baby. It's my engine. Anyway, these are $30. Regularly $69. Couldn't resist. It's deep down inside. Nothing purrs like a cat. Over and out. BigH out.